So today I made some chicken and steak tacos. I'm not gonna lie, they came out pretty crazy. You know, I chopped up some grilled peppers, as you can see. That's for the chicken. I got the onions going, chopped up for the steak, sauteing both. I got a good cut of steak with good marbling, as you can see right here. And I got some chicken tenderloins right here as well. We're gonna season both. We're gonna get up in there. Make sure you get up in there. We're gonna throw both on the stove. As you can see, for the steak, I got the mushrooms, garlic, and onions going. And then I got the grilled peppers going for the chicken. Give it all that flavor. Real quick, make sure when you're cooking that steak, don't do well done. You need to grow up. Medium rare. Make sure you got the juices flowing. You feel me? Get the juices going. And then this is the finishing touch. Like I said, the chicken, got the cabbage, got the grilled peppers, got the Mexican cheese, and then for the steak tacos, I got the mushrooms, the onions, and yeah. And then we're gonna give both sour cream and some guac. Call it a day.